Hello everyone, today I am going to show you how to make this beautiful stitch. This is called as half double crochet 3 together stitch. You can use different colors to make new rows, then you will have a nice finishing. You can make baby blankets with rainbow colors and any other project like tote bags, small purses, anything you can make with this beautiful stitch. Okay, let's get start. We'll have to have an even number of chains to do this stitch. So I'm going to have about 16 chains. 1, 2. Now I have 16 chains. Then I'm going to make single crochets to each of these chains excepting the last chain. So insert the hook to the next chain and make a single crochet to the next. Likewise, you have to have 15 single crochets. Now I have a row of single crochets. Now I am going to make the pattern stitch. To begin that I have to make 4 chains. Then turn over the work. Then yarn over and insert the hook to the single crochet at the base of this 4 chain. Then wrap the yarn and get 3 loops onto the hook. Then again wrap the yarn and insert the hook into the next single crochet and pull up the yarn. Insert the hook into the next single crochet. Now you have 5 loops. Again yarn over, insert the hook into the next one and pull up the yarn. Now you have 7 loops on the hook. Then release 6 of that. Finally release the last 2. Now you have made the first half double crochet 3 together stitch. Then make 1 chain and yarn over and insert the hook to this chain, which is the last single crochet of the first stitch. Insert the hook, grab the yarn and get 3 loops onto the hook. Then again yarn over, insert the hook into the next stitch. Now 5 loops on the hook. Again yarn over, insert the hook into the next. Now 7 loops on the hook. Now release 6 loops. Then release the final 2. Make a chain, yarn over, insert the hook to this same stitch of the second half double crochet 3 together stitch. Then again to the next stitch. Then again to the next stitch. You have to insert the hook into 3 stitches. Then release 6 loops. Then release 2 loops. Make 1 chain, yarn over, insert the hook to this stitch, three loops on the hook, yarn over, insert to the next stitch, 5 loops on the hook, yarn over, insert to the next stitch, 7 loops on the hook. Then slowly release 6 loops and finally release these 2 loops. Okay, now you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 half double crochet 3 together stitches, and to the first chain you have skipped at the beginning of the pattern stitch. Make a 1 double crochet into that chain. Now you have finished the first row. Then if you want, you can make 1 chain and cut the yarn and join another color. But here I am going to make with same color. So make 1 chain and turn the work and make single crochet row. One single crochet on the top of the stitch, pattern stitch, then another single crochet into the chain 1 space. 1 here, next here. The last single crochet into the chain 4 space here. Then you can start the pattern row again. Make 4 chains. Then turn the work. Then make yarn over, insert the hook to the single crochet, get 3 loops, yarn over, insert the hook to the next stitch, get 3 loops, yarn over, insert the hook to the next stitch, get 3 loops. Now there are 7 loops on the hook. Make 1 chain to the next chain, and then make 1 double crochet into the last single crochet. Now you have 2 rows completed. When you are making the next row, it is a single crochet row, then you have to make 1 chain and turn the work. Then at the base of the chain you have to make 1 single crochet, then to the next 1 single crochet, in the chain 1 space 1 single crochet, and to the top of the stitch 1 single crochet. Likewise, you can complete the number of rows as you want. When you are doing a project, a baby blanket or something, you have to measure the width of the blanket you needed and then make a chain of even number to cover that length. Then decide the height of the blanket or the length of the blanket. Then you can finish up to that point. Okay, thank you for watching.